So guys, now you can see here this is a Samsung phone, and if I use the camera, so now you can see here the camera is not good. Now you can see there is different kind of dots, right? So I'm going to change the camera of this Samsung Grand Prime.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to recover the camera of Samsung Grand Prime. So it is too much easy to recover, and after watching this video you will be also able to fix the camera of this Samsung Grand Prime phone. Okay, so it was also one of the popular mobile phone, and it was one of the popular brand of Samsung. And in this video I'm going to teach you in briefly. Just you have to watch this video until the last to learn to recover the camera of this smartphone. Hello everyone, it's me Dipesh Rai. If you are watching this video first time, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon. So without any delay, let's begin to recover the camera of Samsung Grand Prime. So guys, now you can see here this is the mobile phone, and I'm going to recover the camera of this Samsung Grand Prime. So first of all I'm going to remove the battery. Okay, like that. Then I'll remove the memory card. Okay, then I'll remove all the SIM cards. Okay, yeah, like that. Then after that, now you can see here I'm going to remove all the screw of this mobile phone. So guys, first of all I'm going to tell you to recover the camera, or if you want to fix the camera of the Samsung Grand Prime. So first of all you need external camera, then you need a screwdriver, you need this kind of tools, and you need a opener also. Okay, so these tools are very necessary when you are changing the camera of Samsung Grand Prime. Guys, finally I removed all the screws of this phone, and then after that, so I'm just opening this one first of all. Okay, and you can remove the display jack also from here. Okay, yeah, like that. So now I'm opening the housing of this smartphone. So it have totally how many screw? Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it have totally 10 screw. Okay, so I'm going to open this one. Okay, so just wait for a moment. It's too much easy to open this one. Yeah, like that. Okay, now again I'm opening this one. So I have to open this one from here also. Okay, so now you can see here I open this one. Okay, so from this side again I'm going to open. Yeah, like that. And finally I open the housing of this Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime, and this is the PCB board. So I have to open this one. Okay, I think the PCB board will come very easily. So if I pull out from this side, okay, so here is also some things. This is the front camera maybe. Okay, so here is the camera. Okay, and I think this camera is coming from the back side, so that's why I have to open the PCB board first of all. So I think there is no more screw. So if there is a screw, just you have to remove that one also. Okay, so I am just pulling this one from this side like that. Okay, oh my god, so here is also a flex. So this is for maybe audio jack phone. Okay, like that. So now you can see here. So here is the actual camera. Okay, so now you can see here. You can also see this one. So this is the camera, and if you want to remove this one, so this camera is not good, so that's why I'm changing this one. So this is the actual camera. Okay, so for this one I have a camera. I hope it will work fine. So I'm just opening this one, and this is the, now you can say this is my new camera, and I am changing the camera of this smartphone. So first of all I'll put this one like that. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, and you have to remove the cover of the camera. Now you can see here. Now you can see this camera have the silver body, right? But my phone default camera watch, it have maybe in the side only there is a silver, but it have totally a silver color. Okay, so let's have a look it will work or not. So first of all I'm going to put the PCB board here right now again. So for this one I have to fix all the things like that. Okay, yeah, like that. Now you can see, so I am going to fix this one here, and I am putting the front camera from here. So this is the front camera, right? So I am putting this one here. Okay, yeah, like that. And this is the display pin. Okay, yeah, like that. Okay, so after that I'm again going to put the housing of the phone. So for this one just I am going to use this one like that. So maybe it will work. So first of all I'll try this one without putting, no, it's okay. So first of all I'll put the housing. Okay, so I am just putting very carefully all the housings. So I think all the things are fixed properly, otherwise later so when you are putting this kind of flex, in that case be careful. Okay, otherwise, now you can see here there is a very small types of pin, and if it is bent then it's gone, so it will give you more trouble. So that's why you have to insert very carefully those types of flex. Okay, so I am again putting the housing very carefully, so like that. So I am putting like this. Okay, like that. Yeah, okay. So now you can see here I put all the housing also. Again I'm going to insert all the screw inside the phone. Okay. So guys, I put all the screws inside. Okay, so I am putting the battery and I am opening the phone. So maybe hoping that it will work fine. So first of all, I am just putting the back cover also. Now you can see this is the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Plus. Okay, so maybe it will work fine. Okay, so just wait for a moment. It's opening, and after a few time maybe it will work fine. So it is too much easy to recover the camera of Samsung Grand Prime phone. So if you have uh, any kind of queries still, then you can ask in the comment section. Okay, so now we can see it's opening, so hoping that it will work. So I open this one. So maybe I am opening the system camera. Yeah, now you can see here it is working fine, right? Okay, so it means the camera is working perfectly. That's it. So hoping that you get few ideas how to recover the camera of Samsung Grand Prime. So if you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment section. That's it. Hoping that you get few ideas about camera recovery of Samsung Grand Prime. If you have still any kind of confusion, let me know in the comment sections. If you have still any kind of queries, also you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll make a separate video on that topic also. And if you get some quality content, or if you learn something from this video, please let me know in the comment section. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. So I'll come back with another new video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.